Kevin Durant's KD18 Ant Pearl continues his long-running tradition of honoring his late great-aunt through his signature Nike line. Known for its emotional depth, this edition uses a soft pink base with vibrant fuchsia laces and floral patterns adorning the profile cages and inner lining. Speckled midsoles and blended swooshes on the heel enhance the delicate palette, creating a design that merges storytelling with visual impact. While early photos from size don't show direct references to Ant Pearl or her battle with cancer, Nike may include subtle tributes in the packaging or beneath the tongue. The theme, deeply personal to Durant, reflects more than just style. It serves to raise cancer awareness and celebrate personal legacy. Set to release in October via Nike.com, the Ant Pearl KD18 not only offers performance-ready design but also carries a message of love, remembrance, and purpose on and off the court.